Uncle Terry, where's Grandma?
Her and your mama went to the store to get some things for dinner. They'll be back soon. So how you like living here with us?
It's okay, kinda crowded.
Yeah. Follow me, I got something for you. It's down in my room.
Where's stairwell number 3?
West end of the building.
Okay.
Okay, Jubal, has Nathan left that stairwell yet?
You got an exact address?
Yeah. 1600 Smoke Spot Way, bitch. Oh my God. Fucking fiend, fam. Motherfucking cop and don't know what a crack house look like? Fuck out of here.
Thanks for the help.
Fuck you, 5-0.
How's the family?
Doing great. Johnny's getting on a roll this semester. How's the shop?
Never better.
That's fantastic.
You know I got someplace I gotta be tomorrow at 11 a.m.? You know that? Police station. I gotta turn myself in at 11 a.m. My very expensive criminal attorney will be waiting for me at 10:45.
What'd you do?
Financial crime. White collar. Took some money that I shouldn't have. Probably gonna go away for a long time.